Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay from Adrian Ramsay Design House, and I wanted to share with you today an expert in her field. This is Eileen Middleton. The question I've got that's a burning one, of course, for everybody: what got you to this point?
Well, I have a real appreciation for art, and I have an affinity with nature, and I love to create. So creating an environment for my clients that they feel really comfortable in and they thrive in is really important to me.
So when did you start doing all this?
Well, I've had my practice here on the coast for 18 years, so I have had a mixed basket of clients. I really love working with all sorts of clients because you really don't know what to expect, and it's a new experience every time.
It's that Forrest Gump thing, you know, about the box of chocolates.
Exactly.
You never know which one you're going to get.
It's a nice surprise.
And I know you do lots of marriage counselling as well. I'm fully aware of that. But is there kind of a genre that you go, yes, that's the kind of the most fun ones, or the most ones that can give them the best results?
A professional interior designer is trained to discern what a client's taste is and the style, and then once we establish that, we can run with that particular style in a most enlightened way. Yes. So really every client is different, and I think the exciting part about that is piecing together something that they really appreciate and will love. And yes, when you have two people involved, mainly husbands and wives, it really is a marriage counselling type of thing, and you have to be very skillful in being able to include both parties in the whole design process.
Do you have a unique style? So does somebody open the door and go, Eileen Middleton's been here?
Feedback from my clients and you know, the public generally, they say that my style is very clean lines, it's very sophisticated and very elegant, but at the same time the spaces are very easy to live in because there's a lot of texture and a lot of tactile elements that we include to make sure that it's very warm and inviting as well. There's a lot of thinking behind the scenes, and the layouts are not just something that looks nice on a page.
But there's a wealth of knowledge and experience that goes into creating a few pencil drawings, you know, that actually makes it what it is. Somebody gets to come to you, they're not getting what you do in that moment. What they're getting is what you've done in all these past moments.
Oh, absolutely. The other really fundamental thing that's so important is our experience in construction. We know how things are built. Mm-hmm. We know how things need to be demolished, if that's the case.
Pulled down, yes.
We know the potential of a space, and all those things are going through my mind, and you're thinking of their budget at the same time.
Absolutely.
And a really important fact that we haven't really touched on is when you're dealing with a professional like me or like yourself, we take a lot of the risk out of the project, because when someone's doing a renovation or doing a new build,
I know where this is going.
It is a lot of money. It's a lot of money.
It's a significant investment.
And it is a huge responsibility.
Yeah.
Now, I know I'm very comfortable with working with people when they're spending large volumes of money like that, because I've got that experience and that know-how, and the decisions I make with them and for them, I know will work. And I know you feel the same way.
So Eileen, I would like to specially thank you. I'm Adrian Ramsay, over and out from Eileen Middleton's studio here in Budrum.